Currency strength meter is pointing me to Swiss yen for a potential opportunity. But what are the conditions surrounding that market? Let's go on to the currency strength meter first. I can see that the Swiss franc is this purple line. It's starting to come away from the highs, which means that there is potential weakness within that market. The Japanese yen, on the other hand, has come away from the lows, which is this white line towards the bottom of the currency strength meter. And those two currencies are converging towards each other. That tells me that the Swiss franc is potentially getting weaker, the yen potentially getting stronger. So Swiss yen short should be an option for us potentially if the right conditions are there. Going on to the Swiss yen chart, then we can see that this is the weekly time frame. I am looking at the weekly levels of support and resistance. I can see that price is within sort of like a bullish channel, really, coming from these lows back in June, and we're starting to see this kind of support being formed. On the resistance side of things, I've used the highs in August and expanded those out, and I can see that this channel is actually performing pretty well. And recently we come up into the 170, 150, and we're now starting to see a breakdown, which could lead to a move down towards this area here, which is great for us because this is a weekly chart. So that means there's potential for a 500 to 600 pip drop on Swiss yen. So I'm looking for opportunities potentially if the right conditions are met. Now, why do I keep saying if the right conditions are met? Well, I need a sort of downward trend to form or price to come into a level of resistance. At the moment, I can see price has been in a trading range between the 169.75 and the 171.50 level. So what I really need to see is price trade through this level, come back, retest it, fail to break back into that zone, and then see if sellers continue to push price to the downside here. But all in all, really good area to watch for price to potentially break out of, to retest, continue in line with the currency strength meter. So check out Swiss yen, could be a potential 500, 600 pips to come on this currency pair.